Hello learners, you all are welcome to secondary level mathematics program. Dear learner, I Dr. Rajendra Kumar Naik from National Institute of Open Schooling, and learners, we already know that in mathematics there are particularly 4 different operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. When talking the operation, these operations basically used to calculate, or we can say compute, different numerical product we should be get. Suppose we already learned about the addition and subtraction. When talking about multiplication, we call as a also the product of something. Means we can say the product of the two numbers, or we can say the product of two polynomial, or we can say the product of two monomial. Now we will be discuss very important aspects, particularly we can say the algebra part, that is special product and factorization. When talking about special product, the thing is we will get the product of two number we can say, or two polynomial we can say, but using some techniques, some formula we can say. That is why we call as a special product, means by getting different product by using different techniques, or we can say using different formula. That's are known as the special product. Now when talking about the special product, dear learners, very important thing is first formula we can say the first important techniques we can say, that is very important thing is the a plus b whole square. I can say a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the, we can say, the first formula we can say, first special product. Similarly, different formula we will be use, but thing is how this formula we can say generate. For example, when talking about a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, this is the, we can prove this one by numeric, we can prove by geometrical part also we can prove this one. But thing is when talking about numeric, first we have to use how we can say prove this product by using the, we can say, algebraical theoretical part, how we can should we prove it. For example, suppose we are talking a plus b whole square, which is equal to, I can write a plus b into a plus b. Can I write? For example, we know that suppose I would like to write 2 ka whole square, that means 2 into 2. So a plus b ka whole square means I can say a plus b into a plus b. Yes. Now suppose I would like to multiply. So a into a plus b, again I can write plus b into a plus b. What I did first, this part I have taken a into a plus b. I can say simply b into, I can say b into a plus b. Okay. Now what I can write? I can write a into a, we know that a square, plus a into b, that means I can write a b, plus, you see, b into a, I can write b a, plus b into b, I can write also b square. Now you see, a square plus a b, I can write b a, which equal to also a b, because due the, as per the multiplication, the commutative property, I can write x y equal to y x, or I can write a b equal to b a. So a b I have written, in place of a b a, I can write a b plus b square. Now when we solve this one, you will get a square. You see, simply I can say a b plus a b, which equal to 2ab. So I can write a square plus 2ab plus b square. Dear learners, simply I can say the a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula we have. We can say this formula we derived, we generate this formula, but this formula we generate by algebraically. With that part we can prove also by geometrically. You see this figure, okay? This is the, I can say the rectangle A, B, C, D, okay? And we know that the simply I can say the CB which is equal to, I can say BA, simply I can write here that BA, this part is suppose A and this part is B. Now this total figure is divided into 4 different parts. I can say this is the part 1, this is the part 2, this is the part 3 and this is the part 4. You know that part 1 is a square, okay, and one side is A. Then area of, I can say area of AEFG, which equal to, I can say simply I can say A square, because one side is A. So this part, that means area of the first portion will be A square. Again see, come to the rectangle. It looks like rectangle. It not looks like, it is exactly a rectangle, which is EB, I can say IF. If length is B and I can say breadth is A, then its area will be AB, because we know that area of the rectangle which is equal to length into breadth. So I can write the area of the second portion which equal to AB. Third portion, you see one side is B and the area of it is square. The square of, I can say HFIC. So which is equal to, if one side is B, area equal to B square, because one side whole square. So area of third portion will be B square. Now area of fourth portion, again length into breadth. Length is here, I can say length is B and I can say breadth is A. So area which equal to AB. When talking about area of this rectangle ABCD, which is equal to, simply if I suppose like to prove by geometrical, area of ABCD, which is equal to, I can say area of, I can say 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 हम लोग ऐड कर देंगे तो we can get the area of the total ABCD rectangle. So we already get area of A which equal to A square and area of second portion which equal to AB, third part is equal to B square and fourth part which equal to AB. So I can prove here A square AB plus AB which equal to plus 2AB plus B square. So dear learners, simply I can say by algebraically as well as geometrically we found that area of, or we can say the product of two quantities, that is A plus B whole square which equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. That is the very important, we can say very important formula which is used in different aspect, different we can say different areas in mathematics as well as geometry, physics and other aspects in particularly scientific subjects. So this is the very important, I can say important formula, and we must have to understand this one also. Now dear learners, we move to the second product, we can say, which is equal to, simply I can say A minus B whole square which equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Similarly we can prove this one, but think is in place of positive it is now we can say negative. I can say simply which is equal to A minus B which is whole square which equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Geometrically we can prove this one also. Geometrically we can prove this one also, as what we proved just right now by using A plus B whole square. Here it will be A minus B whole square. Now dear learners, we move how we have to prove this one by we can say algebraically. When talking about algebraically, it is very simply A minus B whole square, I can write A minus B into A minus B. Okay. So I can write A into A minus B into A minus B. Okay. So we can say that we can apply first component into A minus B into A minus B. Now when we are going to simplify it, you see A into A I can write A square minus AB minus BA plus B square, because minus B into minus B which is plus B square. So I can write simply here A square minus AB minus BA, I can write also minus AB, because as per the commutative property of the multiplication, we already know minus XY which equal to minus YX, or we can say minus AB which equal to minus BA. So, by using the commutative property, I can write S square minus AB plus B square. The thing is, very simply you just observe, minus BA, I write here minus AB, because there will be no changing of the values. So, when again we simplify this one, you will get now A square minus AB. Okay. So, I can say minus 2AB plus B square. So, this is the formula of, I can say, A minus B ka whole square, and this is the very important formula. Okay, dear learners, now we will be moved to the, I can say, the third important product, that is also very important. When talking about other special product, the third part, I can say simply very important things, A plus B into A minus B which equal to A square minus B square. This is the, I can say, third special product. That means x plus y into x minus y which equal to x square minus y square. Okay, this is the formula, and similar manner we can prove, like x A into A minus B plus B into A minus B. When we simplify, you will get this product. So, fourth part is also, this is very important, x plus A into x plus B which equal to x square into A plus B x plus AB. This is the, I can say, we can say the fourth special product. Now, important thing is other important special product, I can say A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square which equal to 2 into A square plus B square. When A plus B whole square minus A minus B square, you will find 4AB. Dear learners, that is the very important things, and important things I can say, you should not be remember this product. You can derive how it is derived. Suppose when we are talking about A plus B whole square, it is like A square plus B square plus 2AB, but we must have to understand how that formula have derived. For example, suppose this formula I would like to, A plus B whole square into A minus B whole square, how it is 4AB? How it is 4AB? I just like to tell you how it can be possible. You see, simply I can say A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square. Okay, what will be its value? Simply I can say A plus B square, that means I can say A square plus B square plus 2AB, this is the formula we already know, minus of A minus B whole square. So, I can write A square minus B square, A square plus B square minus 2AB. Okay. So, when we simplify, you will get A square plus B square plus 2AB minus A square, because minus of A square minus A square plus B square into minus which equal to minus B square, and you see minus 2AB into minus, so it become positive. So, I can say plus 2AB. Now, when you simplify, you see plus A square, I can say plus A square minus A square will be cancelled. Again you see plus B square minus B square will be cancelled. Now, what is now plus 2AB which equal to, I can write 4AB. So, this is the result. So, when talking about A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square, I can write here which is equal to 4AB. Dear learners, this is the way we can prove, but not necessary we can say remember this formula, A minus plus B square minus A minus B square which equal to 4AB. Dear learners, now very important thing is how we have to, I can say, how really we can use in our day-to-day life. For example, suppose 101 into 101. Suppose this is the question, I would like to 101 into 101. That means 101 multiply with 101. What will be its value? What will be value? So, I can write by multiplication you can find 3-digit number, we can generally multiplication, we can find, there is no problem. But when we using the special product, we use the formula. So simply I can write 101 whole square, because a into a which equal to a square. So I can write 101 into 101 which equal to 101 ka whole square. So I can write 100 whole square means I can write 100 plus 1 ka whole square, because 100 again I can write 100 plus 1 which is equal to 101. So now you can put the formula a plus b ka whole square, because suppose a is here, I can say simply a is here 100, b equal to 1. So as per the formula I can write 100 whole square plus b square means 1 ka whole square plus 2ab, 2 into 100 into b means 1. So I can write 1 means I can say simply 10,000 plus 1 plus 200. So when we solve again, you will be get 1010201 when we simplify. So simply 101 into 101, by using that formula how easily we can find out this value. But when we multiply like 101 101, it will take lengthy, it will be time consuming, it is we can say maybe chance of a mistake. But when we use the formula, easily we can find these things. That is the very important things, the learners. Now we will be move. Suppose another example. Suppose I would like to tell you. Suppose I would like to tell you that one thing is, suppose we are going to find out 98 ka whole square. Okay, how we have to find out 98 ka whole square? 98 I can write 100 minus 2. There is no problem, because I can simply find this concept 100 minus 2, I can write 98. So in place of 98 I can write 100 minus 2 ka whole square. Now it is now in the form of a minus b ka whole square, and that is the comes under a special product, and we can use the formula. I can use the formula like a square means 10,000 a square plus b ka whole square means 2 ka whole square minus 2ab means minus 2 into 100 into 2. So I can simply write 10,000 plus 4 minus, that means 100 into 200, 200 into 400 minus 400 plus 4. So simply I can write 10,000 means 9,600 plus 4. So I can write 9604. This will be the answer, because by using that a minus b ka whole square, the second special product which is equal to a minus b ka whole square, that very simply we can get the result. So dear learners, this is the way, techniques we can use in our day-to-day life problem or different mathematical concept in order to find the solution. Now dear learners, we will be move the other part, that is I can say simply other special product, means that is a cubic form. That cubic form is simply talking a plus b ka whole cube which equal to a square, a cube plus 3ab into a plus b into plus b cube. Dear learners, again I can write this part, that means simply it is talking a plus b whole cube. हम उसका पहले जितने पढ़े थे स्क्वायर फॉर्म पे. Now we are dealing with the cubic of the, I can say, polynomial, or we can say the two numbers. A plus b whole cube, simply it is talking a cube plus 3ab into a plus b cube. Okay, same things I can write a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This you see, just I simplify again. 3ab plus 3ab into a plus b. When you multiply 3ab with a, you will get 3a square b. When you multiply 3ab plus b, you will get 3ab square. So this is the two different formula. I can say two different formula, you will get a plus b ka whole square. Again I can say, tell you learners, a second a minus b whole cube, which equal to a cube minus 3ab into a minus b minus b cube. This is the cubic form. There are two different formula. Now we will be move how we use this formula in our different context, or we can say different situation. Suppose using special product, find the cube of 19 and 101. Suppose I would like to tell you cube of 1, I can say cube of 101 whole cube. Okay. Learners, I can write x a ka cube means I can write 100 plus 1 ka whole cube. So simply I can write, that means simply that formula a plus b ka whole cube, that means a cube 100 ka cube, a cube plus b cube simply plus 3ab into a plus b, that means into a plus b means I can write 101, 3ab into a plus b, or simply 2a we can write. You see, when talking about a cube 100 cube, that means you will get 10000000 plus 1 plus I can say 100 into 3, that is 300 into 100 plus 1. So when again we will simplify, you will get 60 plus 1 plus 300, 3 into 40 plus I can say 300. So when you simplify, you will get 1030301. This result you will get. So dear learners, very simply I can say, by using the a plus b whole cube, you can able to find out this answer. By easily we can find out, easily we can multiply, easily we can getting the special product of any, we can say a big formula, big number, cubic form or square form product we can able to find out. Now dear learners, we move another very important things, that is we can say how we have to simplify these things. You see, when talking about this is the big problem, you see again you can see, I would like to write this one. Suppose this is 857 into 857 into 857 minus 537 into 537 into 537 divided by, I can write 857 into 857 plus 857 into 537 plus 537 into 537. Dear learners, you see, this is the problem. When you multiply one by one, it will take 2 hours or 3 hours to you, because it is the 3-digit number, and a number is multiplied how many times and how many times it is added to each other, and again addition of that this lengthy number, again you will have to divide. If you can do it, no doubt you can do it, we can do it, but it will take time. आपको बहुत time लगेगा solve करने में. But when we use the formula, it will be easily within 1 minute you will find out the result. How it is possible? You see, I can write 857, 857, 857 means 3 times. So I can write 857 ka whole cube. So simply learners, I can write 857 whole cube minus 537 ka whole cube divided by 857 into 857. So I can write 857 ka whole square minus I can write 857 into 537 plus 537 into 537, that means 537 into 537. So simply I can write 537 ka whole square. So I can write 537 ka whole square. When you see, suppose dear learners, you just observe this one. Suppose 857 you take as a and 537 you take a B. What you get? you will get AQ minus BQ. Yes, AQ minus BQ. Simply I can write AQ minus BQ divided by A square minus AB plus B square. Okay, what you will find here? Suppose simply I can write here again the formula. You will get AQ minus BQ divided by A square.
कोविड मास्क जरूर लगाएं, हाथों को बार बार साबुन से धोएं और हाँ, आरोग्य सेतु ऐप पर लॉगिन अवश्य करें। घर पर रहें और NIOS की स्व अध्ययन सामग्री से पढ़ते रहें। आपके लिए PM ई-विद्या पर टीवी, रेडियो वाहिनी और मुक्त विद्यावाणी पर ऑडियो कार्यक्रमों का प्रसारण भी NIOS द्वारा किया जा रहा है। आपसे एक ही अनुरोध है, जब भी छींकें, मुंह और नाक को ढकना ना भूलें, भीड़ भाड़ में जाने से बचें और सामाजिक दूरी का पालन करें। और एक बात, जब तक वैक्सीन नहीं आती तब तक मास्क को ही वैक्सीन समझें। साफ रहें, स्वच्छ रहें और स्वस्थ रहें। 2 गज दूरी, मास्क है जरूरी। किसी भी आपदा की स्थिति में संपर्क करें टोल फ्री नंबर 1075 011 239780।
जीवन ये प्रकाशित करने, राहों को आलोकित करने।
जीवन ये प्रकाशित करने, राहों को आलोकित करने। हम अपना दीपक स्वयं बने, हम अपना रास्ता स्वयं चुने। हम अपना दीपक स्वयं बने, हम अपना रास्ता स्वयं चुने। जीवन ये प्रकाशित करने, राहों को आलोकित करने।
धन साधन समय की सीमा से विद्यालय जो मुक्त हो। धन साधन समय की सीमा से विद्यालय जो मुक्त हो।
कभी पढ़े हम कहीं पढ़े, वे विषय की लोच से युक्त हो। कभी पढ़े हम कहीं पढ़े, वे विषय की लोच से युक्त हो। मित्रों हम उठे और जागे, मंजिल आने की ध्वनि सुने। हम अपना दीपक स्वयं बने, हम अपना रास्ता स्वयं चुने। जीवन ये प्रकाशित करने, राहों को आलोकित करने। राष्ट्रीय मुक्त विद्यालय का है द्वार खुला सबकी खातिर।
शिक्षा परीक्षा का अवसर एक बार ही क्यों मिलता फिर।
शिक्षा परीक्षा का अवसर एक बार ही क्यों मिलता फिर। दुनिया में इसके केंद्र बहुत, कोई मन चाहा केंद्र चुने। हम अपना दीपक स्वयं बने, हम अपना रास्ता स्वयं चुने। कोई मन चाहा केंद्र
Hello learners, we are discussing about special product, that means product between the two polynomial, how we have to use different formula or techniques to find out the special that are called the special product. Now we will be discuss about factorization. Factorization means how we have to find the factor of a polynomial. That is the very important. When talking about factorization learners, the important thing is factorization of a polynomial, particularly we will discuss about polynomial, is a process of writing the polynomial simply as a product of two or more polynomials. When talking about factorization of a polynomial, that means simply I can say what are the factors, when we multiply this factor we will get the polynomial. Okay, that means split, we can say उसको तोड़ रहे, एक polynomial को तोड़ना है, तोड़ के we can say 2 दो भी मिल सकता है और 2 से more भी मिल सकता है, depends करता है the nature or characteristics of the polynomial. Now when talking about each of the polynomial in the product is called as the factor of the given polynomial. So that means when talking about polynomial factorization, that means what are the factors? When we multiply this factor, we will get the polynomial. Okay. Now, dear learners, we will take an example. It will be better. We have to understand. When talking about factorization by distributive property, there are different techniques we can say. When we talking about factorization of a polynomial, that means different techniques we can use. The first technique is talking as distributive property. Distributive property, that means simply suppose one example I have taken, suppose that is 10a minus 25. You see 10a minus 25. So 10a I can write 5 into 2a, because 5 into 2a which equal to 10a, minus 25 means I can write 5 into 5. Yes, I can, because 5 into 5 is equal to 25. So learners, again suppose 5, suppose I would like to take as a common, then you will find 5 अगर common ले लिए, then क्या रहेगा 2a रहेगा. So I can write 2a minus 5, because 5 already we have taken. So dear learners, when talking about the factors of the quantity like 10a minus 25, now you have get, or we can say हमको दो factor मिला. One factor is 5 एक factor है, second factor is 2a minus 5a. So simply we can generalize in the polynomial 10a minus 25 there are two factors. One factor is 5, another factor is 2a minus 5. When we multiply two factor, you will get the original polynomial. This is the way we have to find out the factor, and this process is known as, of course this is the factorization, but the techniques is known as distributive property. By using the distributive property, now we able to find out the factor of the polynomial. Now learners, we move the second polynomial. One is, that is simply I can say x square y cube plus x cube y square. Okay, this is the one of the polynomial, you know. Now what will be its factor? Okay, simply I can write this part, I can write x square y cube. So when we talking about x square y cube, I can write x square y square into y, because when y multiply with y square you will get y cube. So x square into y plus I can write x square y square into x, because simply when x multiply you will get this product. So what you find, you will be, important thing is you have to find out the common quantity. Now x square y square, here x square y square. Now this is the common quantity, and the common quantity you will take a common. So I can write here x square y square as a take common, you will find y plus x, or simply I can write x square into y square into x plus y. Okay. Now, what are the product, we can say factors of this quantity x square y cube plus x cube y square. Now, you will find two factors. One factor is simply I can say x square y square is the one factor, x plus y is the, we can say, another factor. Okay. When we multiply these two factors, again you will find this polynomial, and this technique is known as distributive property in order to find out the factorization of a polynomial. Now, we will be move the second techniques, that is known as factorization of involving difference of two square. Difference of two square means, that means I can say the factorization by using the differences of two square. How it is? Let us see. When we are talking about how we have to find out, the question is 9x square, you see 9x square minus 16y square. Okay. This is the question. 9x square minus 16y square, and we are going to find out what are its factors. क्या उनका factors होगा. Now, when 9x square, I can write 3x का whole square, because 3x का whole square which equal to 9x square. Okay. Minus I can write 4y का whole square which equal to, I can say 16y square means 4y का whole square. So now, what is the formula you find? S square minus b square, because simply here I can write a equal to 3x, b equal to 4y. Okay. Okay. Now, s square minus b square. Now, this expression represent s square minus b square. When talking about s square minus b square, its formula is a plus b into a minus b. By special product, we have already discussed the formula of s square minus b square, which equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now, 3x square minus 4y square means 3x as a, 4y as a b. So, I can write, simply I can write 3x plus 4y into 3x minus 4y. So, this is the, I can say there are the two factor we find. One factor, very simply I can say one factor is 3x plus 4y, another factor is 3x minus 4y. When we multiply these things, you will get 9x square minus 16y square. So, this is the techniques we can say, and this techniques is known as factorization involving difference of two square. Now, learners will take another example, another interesting example, that is suppose I can say that that part I can say simply that x6 minus 8x cube plus 16. This formula also we can, this is known as perfect square trinomials. Okay. Before this part also we can, another part we can take, that is involving difference, that is x fourth, I can say x fourth minus 18y fourth. So, dear learners, when talking about x fourth, so I can write x square ka whole square, because x square whole square means 2 into 2, which is equal to x fourth. So, minus 9y square ka whole square. Okay. 9y ka whole square means 9y square ka whole square, 9 whole square 81, y square ka whole square y fourth. So, again you will see it is in the form of, I can say a square minus b square. So, I can write a plus b into a minus b. Now, question is what is a? A is here x square and b is here I can say 9y square. So, when we simplify, when we are going to simplify this part, I can write x square minus y square, that means a plus b into a minus b. So, x square plus 9y square ka 9y square into x square minus 9y square. So, there are the two factors. This is the one factor, another is this formula is known as factorization of involving difference of 2 square. But you must have to remember that formula, that will be, then you can find out, otherwise it is quite difficult to find out factorization. Now, another thing is, one is a trinomial is given. Dear learners, you know why it is called as a trinomial? Because 9x square is the 1, 24xy plus 16y square. Okay. I can say simply the 3 term is involved. That's why you call it as a trinomial. Okay. So, when we are talking about factorization, this one, so dear learners, I can write simply 9x square, I can write 3x ka whole square. Can I write? Yes, I can write, because 3x ka whole square which is equal to 9x square, plus for 16y, for this part I can write 4y ka whole square, okay, plus 2 into 3x into 4y. 2 into 3x 16, 6x, 6x into 4y which is equal to 24xy. Okay. So, when we simplify, you just see this is a square plus b square plus 2ab formula. What we have already discussed, we just reduce the another formula, and that formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now, we can write which is nothing but a plus b ka whole square. So, a plus b ka whole square, that means I can write 3x plus 4y into 3x plus 4y. Okay. So, dear learners, when talking about factors, then you will find two factors. One is 3x plus 4y, and again repeated 3x plus 4y. These are the two factors of the trinomial 9x square plus 24xy plus 16y square. Okay. Now, we will be move another techniques that is very important, which is called factorization perfect cube polynomial. Perfect cube, cubic form it will come. How it is, you would see x cube plus 6x square plus 12xy whole square plus 80y cube. So, dear learners, I can write this part simply I can write x ka whole cube, a cube plus b cube means I can write 2y ka whole a cube plus b cube plus 3s square means 3x square into 2y 3s square b plus 3ab square. 3, that means I can write 3a that means 3x, b square means 2y ka whole square. Now, you will find which is nothing but I can write x plus 2y ka whole cube, x plus 2y ka whole cube. It is the perfect, I can say perfect cube of the polynomial. We have used the formula a cube plus b cube plus 3s square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now, this formula reduced to a plus b ka whole cube. So, it's I can say it's we can say factor, 3 factors you will find, but factors are repeated. X plus 2y I can write x plus 2y into x plus 2y. Same factor repeated 3 times. Now, we will be moved very important part, and we can say this is known as factorization by splitting method, splitting the middle term method. Okay. Middle term, this is the usually we can say maximum times these techniques we have used, that is known as factorization of trinomial. Again I am repeating why it is called trinomial, because 3 terms will be involved, 3 term ही मिलेगा आपको, and middle term को split करके उसको हम use करना है. That's why we call as the splitting method, splitting of the middle term, or we can say factorization by using the splitting techniques. Now, when talking about splitting techniques, one part you see, what is the techniques I would like to tell you learners. Question is like x square plus 3x plus 2. Okay. This is the I can say trinomial, because 3 term is there. Now, how we have to find its factors? The thing is, you see learner, when talking about x square, the first term factor is known as a. Second, this is the middle term. Simply you just see when talking about splitting, this is the first term, this is the middle term, this is the third term or last term. You can say in your language, there will be no problem. But middle part is 3x. 3x middle term को split करना है. Split करना है का मतलब तोड़ना है. तोड़ेंगे जैसे original thing vanish नहीं होगा, original remains रहेगा, लेकिन उनको तोड़ के उनका फैक्टर निकालेंगे. कैसे? For example, I am talking about x square. I can write x square plus 2x plus x plus 2. I can write because 2x plus x, this part 3x को हम तोड़े as a 2x plus x, because 2x plus x become 3x. तो हम जो तोड़े तो कोई इम्पैक्ट नहीं पड़ा. किसका ऊपर इम्पैक्ट नहीं पड़ा? ओरिजिनल पॉलिनोमियल का ऊपर कोई इम्पैक्ट नहीं पड़ा. So I can write simply x square. Now you observe. Now this part you just see. Now we have to take x square plus 2x, x plus 2. This like. Now I can take as x as a common. You will write x plus 2 because it become x square plus 2x. Now you can write plus 1. It become x plus 2. Okay. Now it will you will find x plus 2, x plus 2 दो बार है. So हम common ले जाएंगे. Okay. So I can write x plus 2 into x plus 1. What you observe? Now you observe that this I can say x square plus 3x. Simply I can say x square plus 3x plus 2. When we factorize by splitting of the middle terms, you find there are two factors, and this is the x plus 2 and x plus 1 are the two factors of the polynomial x square plus 3x plus 2. Okay. Now you will move the another example. Suppose I would like to take the another example. Now example is talking very simply 5x square. Suppose question is 5x square plus 13x minus 6 equal to 0. Now minus 6, only minus 6. That means simply I can say that is 5x square plus 13x plus 2 plus 2. Okay. Now actually x square का जो co-factor है 5 है, middle term is 13x, and c, that is you can say c, or last term, that is minus 2. What will you do here? I can say 5x square plus 13x minus, that is minus 6, dear learner, not minus 2, minus 6. Now I can write 5x square plus 13x. Okay. So what will you do? Simply I can write that product is, you see, when we splitting, you, this is the c, this is the a. You just multiply 6 into 5, which equal to 30. 30 को हम split करना है, तो 13x I can write 15x minus 2x, because middle term 15x minus 2x, that is 13x minus 6. So I can write here 5x, suppose I have taken common, then you will get x plus 3, because 5x into x, which equal to 5x square, and 5x into 3 you will get 15x. So now it will become x plus 3. Now what you will take? Minus 2 as a common, because minus 2x it is there, minus 2 into plus 3, which equal to minus 6. Now x plus 3 is repeated. So x plus 3 I have taken as a common quantity. Next part you will find 5x minus 2. Dear learners, what you observe? When we using the splitting of the middle terms of the polynomial 5x square plus 13x minus 6, now you find, I can say simply two factors we find. One factor is x plus 3, another is 5x minus 2. These are the, I can say, dear learners, these are the very prominent techniques. I can say these are the techniques, 5 different techniques. By using these techniques, we can able to find out factors of the polynomial. Dear learners, simply I can say that you must have enjoyed learning with me, because this is the very important things, how we have to develop, or we can say factorize the polynomial, as well as how we have to use the special product formula in order to we can multiply the two polynomials. I hope that you have enjoyed learning with me, and I would like to tell you that you must have to watch our eVidya channel number 12 for senior secondary level program and eVidya 10 for secondary level program of NIOS, and you must have to visit our website www.nios.sc.in for online course material, because you will get a lot of audio program, video program, text material, we can say worksheet that will be clarify or understanding your mathematical concepts. Thank you, learners.
कोविड-19 यानी कोरोना वायरस देश एवं संपूर्ण विश्व में व्याप्त विषाणु जन्य समस्या। लाखों लोग इस संक्रमण की चपेट में। इसका निदान है जागरूकता